Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we have a Golf 8 and we have completed original Volkswagen Park Assist. I'm just going to show you quickly from the outside. You've got the additional sensors here. Just to mention, the car came with original front and rear sensors, which you can see here. We've added the side ones that, and obviously all the other bits with it. So you've got the side sensors here, same at the back, which is just here. And at the same time, you've got the same on the other side. So what I want to show you is demonstrate how the system works. So let's just get inside. Right, so I've got the car up and running, and what we're gonna do now is we're gonna drive the car forward and get the car to scan the area on the right to find a space for parking. And then we're gonna attempt the parking by just assisting with the brake pedal. The rest will be done by the car itself. So how the system works is you press this button here, and what happens is, I went too far early, there you go. So the system normally would have bring the park distance control, which this car came with already. We've added the function of the park assist. So I select that now, and as you can see, the car is already set up. You can see the screen here, and this one ready to go. So I've got the car in drive. I'm gonna put the indicator to the right, and so it indicates where we want to park. And I'm just gonna move, and I'm slowly moving forward, so the system is scanning the area, and as soon as it finds it, it will let us know, and we're just gonna have to follow the instructions for it. So we keep on driving. There you go. So it found the space, and now it says to park, please press start on the infotainment system. So we can just press start here, and now it's just gonna tell us. By the way, we actually added the camera as well to this car, but the video is not about this. So we just need to follow the instructions. So yes, it says please reverse slowly. So I'm gonna select the reverse gear, put it in the reverse, and now the car, as you can see, my hands are here. The steering wheel is turning itself. You can see in the mirror we're already turning in, and on the camera as well here. The car is parking itself. I'm just controlling the brake pedal. Now we've got the new information, please drive forward slowly. So I need to select drive, and you can see the steering wheel is turning. I'm going to release the brake, and it says there, please drive forward slowly, which we're doing now. Yeah, and then it says please brake, please reverse slowly. So again, I'm going to select the reverse gear. The steering wheel is turning itself again, and we just literally, as you can see in the camera and in the mirror here, we're just gonna reverse into the position next to the this Audi here. The steering wheel is still adjusting while we're reversing. I'm literally just touching the brake slowly, and it says, please, as park assist finish, please take over steering wheel. So here we are, that's it. I'm just gonna switch off the annoying beeping. So here we are, the car has parked itself. So the system is fully integrated, obviously controlled through the infotainment system. You just need to follow the instructions on the screen as you saw it, and with the assistance of just touching the brake pedal and switching between the reverse and the drive, the car parked itself. So if you're interested in that kind of upgrade for your car, just get in touch with us. Links will be in the description. Thank you for joining us in this video, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.